There are several ways to potentially make money with ChatGPT or any language model. Here are a few options to consider. Content creation. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content for websites, blogs, or social media. Many businesses and individuals are willing to pay for well-written articles, product descriptions, social media posts, and more. You can offer your content creation services on freelancing platforms or directly reach out to potential clients. Virtual assistant. Position yourself as a virtual assistant who can help with various tasks such as scheduling appointments, answering emails, managing social media accounts, conducting research, and more. Businesses and busy professionals are often willing to hire virtual assistants to help with their daily workload. Language translation. Utilize chat's language capabilities to offer translation services. Many individuals and companies require translation for documents, websites, or other content. You can target specific language pairs where you have expertise or provide general translation services. Tutoring and language learning. If you have expertise in a particular subject or language, you can offer tutoring or language learning services using ChatGPT as a teaching aid. You can provide personalized lessons, help with homework, or engage in conversation practice sessions. Chatbot development. Use ChatGPT to create customized chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can assist customers, provide information, and handle basic inquiries. Many companies are interested in integrating chatbots into their websites or customer support systems, and you can offer your services as a chatbot developer. Game NPCs and quest design. Game developers often require non-player characters, NPCs, and quests with engaging dialogue and storylines. You can work with game development studios or indie game creators to provide dialogue and quest design services using ChatGPT. Creative writing and storytelling. Leverage chat's ability to generate creative narratives and stories. You can offer your services as a ghostwriter or provide story outlines for authors, game developers, or screenplay writers.